Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into hiscox.com account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Hiscox online account, open up a web browser first. Go to the URL box at the top and type in hisl.hiscox.com/logon and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can enter your credentials. Go ahead and enter your username in the text box appearing at the very top and make sure to enter your credential correct. Head over to the next field and type in your password as well. If you don't remember your username during the process, click on Forgot Username link on the left hand side. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credentials correct, click the login button and you'll be able to get access to your hiscox.com account. Hiscox is an Anglo-Bermudian insurance provider and it offers business insurance tailored to your specific business need, helping the courageous overcome business needs. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.